Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to create a rule to stop receiving emails after each Teams booking. So at first you have to go to Office online. It will be better because it will stop receiving emails on all your devices. So you have to go to www.office.com and log in using your school email. After you sign in to your Office account, you have to go to Outlook online. After that, you have to click on the settings and then go to view all settings. Then you can go to the rules and create a new rule. You can add any name for this rule. So I will make Teams emails like this. And then you can add condition. And this condition is type. And this type is invitations. And then you can add another condition. And you can add I'm not on the two lines. So anyone send invitations to you directly, you will receive this email. But if you are not, so you are part of the Teams group, you will not receive this email. The action is to delete and make as read. And then you can run now and click save. Thank you and have a great day.